Good morning, guys. In front of me is VIVO V23, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone gallery. Then select the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to, select Edit, and mark Add Photo. Now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. I would like to choose it. Pick the album from which you want to apply the photo. Let me just go back. Do it one more time if it's for the first time. Then, as you can see, the gallery would be uploaded. Now select the picture that you want to use. You can customize it however you like. Tap on Save Copy, tap on Save again. And that's it, that will be all. From now on, this picture is assigned to a particular contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.